welcome back to another video. Today you join me here at Stratstone BMW and I was hoping to do the introduction outside, but it has just started to rain. I'm here collecting a car with a friend who is picking up the brand new X-Drive M3 Competition, and it's got the new LCI screen. So like the one that I had in the BMW iX, it goes literally all across the dash. So I'm really excited to see that. And it's in one of my favourite colours as well, the Brooklyn grey colour. So yeah, I'm going to try and do a behind the scenes. I don't really know what I'm going to be able to get, but we're going to do sort of an unveiling video inside, and then we're going to take it out and get some rolling shots. It's going to be a really quick shoot. So yeah, hopefully I can get enough clips to put something together. So yeah, let's go inside. I recognise this one from what I'd taken out last time. So he's just unveiled it, and oh, this spec is so good. There's literally carbon absolutely everywhere. It's got his little personalised plaque as well. Mate, oh, the ducts are all carbon as well. Just going around it just to clean off any little bits because I'm going to be doing my cinematics and stuff, but man, just look at the interior, and you can see the new LCI screen. This is probably the best interior I've seen on any of the M3, M4 competitions, just because of the colour combination with the red. And has it got the red calipers as well? It does, so everything just matches, and because of the M1 and M2 buttons and the start button and everything else is red, I think it just contrasts really, really nicely with it. But yeah, look at that, mate. Look at the size of the screen. That is huge. Wow. Yeah, and then obviously the carbon like duck spoiler, and then the big carbon diffuser in there. I think these are the M Performance tips as well. The black. And then the carbon fibre mirrors. Mate, this spec is just, and carbon fibre roof. The whole spec is just perfect. Colour, yeah, mad. Right, let's get doing the cinematics now. What? I'm going to try and get a shot of me doing my walk around of the cinematic. End of these just looks so good. Apologies for the loud noises of the trimmers, which, as I say, is always inevitable when you are taking photographs like this. Right, if you get back in now. I've never been down here for like a proper photo shoot before. Oh mate. The colour, it's so good, but it's so difficult to photograph. It's so hard because of all the reflections and stuff. Like, you want certain shots and what have you, but oh. I'll probably just overlay the photos on this one, but look at this.